Hello everybody, this is me Tasif Sheikh and I wanted to share something valuable for career boosting. Okay guys, so I have spent 12 years in the IT industry, started like a developer, and right now I'm a head leading 40 member team. And guys, I have seen a lot of ups and downs and I wanted to share these learnings with you so that you can be benefited in your career. Okay, so today's tip is going to be for developers. Okay guys, dekho, whenever a client comes with a requirement, one way is you understand the functional requirement, build a software and give it back to them. They will be happy, your application will be in production, everything peaceful. But guys, some of the great people in the IT industry don't just focus on functional development. They always think about standards, best practices, modularity, how your application will survive scale, load, and like long-term maintenance. If you focus about all these standards, best practices, scalability, performance, and then develop the application, you will be a apex predator, the top class in your own field, and try to be